Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back. This is the third time that I'm doing this walk. It's around 10 kilometers in total. Yeah, it's an easy walk. It's just that it's quite long. And since I've been here before, I know more or less what to expect on the way. And I can push a bit more because I know where the interesting spots are. The weather today, at least in the morning, it looked a little bit more promising for the sunrise, but as it has been a common in this trip, it just didn't pan out very much. It's okay, I just came here instead. It's a place that I like very much, and it's a good mental break as well. Just hiking and walking and being in nature, my kind of stuff. But it's a very nice place, full of little waterfalls and creeks and tiny streams. Let's continue the walk and talk to you guys soon. I found this spot here. It's one of the most obvious ones straight when you enter this place. I'm trying to be fairly symmetric here on this composition, so there are some leading lines, also from the foreground, some creeks in the rock that lead to the waterfall, and the waterfall already zigzags into the background. And it took some time for me to find this, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm also happy with how the light is looking. It's very soft, and it's leading to very good. Very calming scene, and I really like how this turned out. I can't move much because the tripod is on soft ground, so if I do anything, then it's gonna disturb it. But what I also try to do, and you're gonna see in the photograph, is that there is a gap between the front and already the middle. I don't want the rocks on the front disturbing the middle very much. I think it leads to a very disorganized photograph. So this tiny gap that it has there, it gives a more like 3D step-by-step photo composition until the waterfall, which is dead in the center of the photo. It's fairly simple, but it takes time for you to set it up. I'm going to continue looking for other compositions now that all of my focus stack is done, and hopefully I'm going to find more, but I'm pretty sure that I will, because this place is just full of things to photograph. I can spend here, as I said, this is my third time. I can spend here so much time. I love it. found another composition, a little bit more complicated one. You see these logs here? They are forming a leading line towards that tiny waterfall. The complicated part is not only the composition, but the place where I'm standing. I cannot even look up because I had to walk through all of this to get to this position, and the tripod as well. It's in a fairly dangerous place. So I cannot even speak English because I'm concentrating so hard not to fall into the water. But yeah, so then the leading lines go towards the first log on the bottom is creating a straight line pointing straight to the waterfall. And on the top there is a log, it's actually this one that you're seeing, does a zigzag towards the top, and also there is a third log that points towards the pond on the top of the waterfall. And this was a little bit more complicated to find and to come to, but I'm also very satisfied with this one. It's fairly simple, not so much, not so busy as the previous photo, but man, it's just so nice, and it's quite zen as well. There's not so many distractions, and I did my usual of bracketing towards it, left the waterfall, the tiny waterfall, on the right side of the composition, on one of the thirds, and then yeah, just fired a shot, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's continue trying to find more places to photograph.